Hello, this is OpinionRadar. Today, I'm taking a closer look at the SKIL TS6308 Table Saw, a tool that promises to bring contractor-level performance to anyone who needs to move their workshop from site to site. In this video, I'll share my hands-on experience, breaking down what makes this portable saw stand out where it falls short, and who will get the most bang for their buck. We'll explore everything from setup convenience and ergonomics to the long-term durability you can expect after months of daily use. Whether you're a seasoned tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast looking for a reliable cut partner that won't break the bank, this review will give you the information you need to decide if the TS6308 earns a spot in your tool belt. Let's dive in and see how it performs once we put to work. From the moment I first rolled the SKIL TS6308 onto the job site, the first thing that struck me was how compact yet powerful it feels in my hands. A 15-amp motor drives an 8 1/4-inch blade with enough torque to glide through 3/4-inch lumber as if it were butter, and the built-in rack and pinion fence adds a level of precision you'd normally expect from a full-size contractor saw. The folding stand collapses to a slim profile, making transport in the back of a truck or even a sturdy roof rack a breeze. Despite its lightweight construction, just under 50 pounds, the saw feels solid once set up thanks to the robust leg design and the lockable fence rail. All of these features come together for a price tag under $200, which feels like a serious value proposition for anyone who needs a reliable, truly portable table saw. In practice, the TS6308 shines in a variety of real-world scenarios. I've taken it to a residential remodeling job where I needed quick, accurate crosscuts on 2x4S, and the saw's easy setup meant I was cutting in under 5 minutes after arriving on site. It's equally at home in a home shop setting, where I've used it to trim acrylic sheets for custom display cases, simply swapping in a blade designed for plastics yielded clean, chip-free edges. The integrated storage slots on the sides are perfect for stashing a push-stick miter gauge or even a small shop vac hose, keeping the workspace tidy. Whether you're a contractor who moves from job to job or a DIY enthusiast tackling weekend projects, the portable footprint and quick-release legs make this saw a versatile workhorse. What really sets this machine apart are the practical benefits that translate into day-to-day productivity. The rack and pinion fence glides smoothly and stays perfectly aligned with the blade, so I never have to worry about the dreaded offcut caused by fence drift. The micro-adjustment knob for blade alignment is another hidden gem. Once set, the blade stays true, eliminating the need for constant rechecking. The leg adjustment feature lets me level the saw on uneven floors without a fuss, which is a lifesaver on rough construction sites. Add to that the fact that the saw folds down in seconds, fits on a shelf, and costs less than half of a comparable heavy-duty model, and you have a tool that delivers professional results without breaking the bank. No tool is without its drawbacks, and the SKIL TS6308 is no exception. The most noticeable downside is the noise level. Its 15-amp motor can be surprisingly loud, especially when cutting dense hardwood, which may require hearing protection for longer sessions. The tabletop, while sturdy, is smaller than what you'd find on a full-size contractor saw, so large sheet goods can be a little awkward to handle without additional support. Dust extraction is also limited. The saw doesn't include a built-in power outlet for a shop vac, so you'll need to route your own vacuum line or accept a bit more mess on the floor. Lastly, the blade elevation crank feels a bit gritty and lacks a dedicated lock, meaning you have to be deliberate when setting the height to avoid drift during a cut. After a year of regular use, the TS6308 has proven itself in ways I didn't anticipate. I've built a series of custom shelves, cut intricate dovetail joints, and even tackled a few small framing jobs, and the saw has held up without any loss of accuracy. The occasional loud roar is a small price to pay for the confidence I have in its cutting power. When I switched out the stock blade for a high-quality combination blade, the finish on my cuts became exceptionally smooth, reducing the need for sanding. Even after hours of continuous use, the motor stays cool enough that I haven't experienced any overheating issues. The only thing I still wish for is a more refined dust collection system, but I've added a DIY shroud that captures most of the particles, making cleanup manageable. All things considered, the SKIL TS6308 delivers a punchy blend of power, portability, and precision that makes it an excellent choice for both seasoned tradespeople and serious hobbyists. Its standout features, the robust 15-amp motor, reliable rack and pinion fence, and quick folding stand, address the core needs of anyone who moves a shop from site to site or simply wants a high-performing saw that doesn't dominate the garage. While the noise, modest table size, and limited dust extraction are valid concerns, they're outweighed by the saw's overall reliability and affordability. If you need a dependable job site ready table saw that won't drain your budget, this model should sit at the top of your shortlist. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the SKIL TS6308. If you found this walkthrough useful, give it a thumbs up and tap subscribe so you never miss another portable power tool walkthrough. Stay sharp, keep cutting, and let us know which saw you want to see tested in the future soon.